Hi, I'm Danielle. I do too much. I like hair, talking, cosplay, music, art, and stuff. Hello and welcome to StarPuppy. I'm Danielle, your resident weirdo. Welcome to the weirdness. TBH, I'm in Europe, so I don't know when you're seeing this, but if my promo code is still live, this is what it is on this lovely merch. Get it while you can. Welcome back to episode 2 of StarPuppy vs. Moisture. The series in which I fight my dry, natural 4C hair to drink water. I am fresh out of the shower and let's get down onto it. Now today we have a whole host of contenders. Let's introduce our contenders straight away. On my left side we have Creme of Nature, and on my right side we have Creme of Nature. Who will win? Now a quick recap for those who are still a little unfamiliar with the lock method. Generally agreed upon, in the natural hair community to be the best method by which to moisturize your strands. I, under this beautiful bonnet, have a beautiful, lovely girl named Fluffnugget, my head of hair. She is 4C everywhere, kinky, short to medium length, sparse density, fine strands, and medium porosity. She act like it, and so I will be doing this method on both sides of my head and comparing which one lasts longer while moisturized. I will be ranking the moisturization both before and after it dries and is styled, based on these criteria and these criteria. So with that out of the way, let us introduce our contenders for the day. For leave-in, we have the Creme of Nature with Argan Oil from Morocco. Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. It is a liquid texture, has something separated at the edges there. You must shake to activate. And on the right side, we have Creme of Nature, Pure Honey, Breakup Breakage. Leave-in conditioner with pure honey, rich coconut oil, and creamy shea butter. It is a much thicker texture, in no way liquid, but you know what? They both say leave-in conditioner, so I'm putting them against each other. Ha-ha! And if you don't like it, make your own channel. The O will actually be our control, one of two. We have the JBCO, the Jamaican Black Castor Oil from Mango and Lime, the original version. You know what? Bump that. I'm actually going to go with the mango and papaya type. We have my General Secret Scalp Oil Blend. Would you like a video on it? Let me know. And then for the C, we have Creme of Nature, Moisture Recovery Leave-In Curl Milk. Instantly moisturizes with exotic shine, softens and detangles, defines curls, controls frigs, balances your checkbook, and does your taxes. I wish! And on the right side, we have Pure Honey, Shrinkage Defense Curl Activator for dry, dehydrated hair. Oh boy! With no sulfates, no mineral oil, no silicones, doesn't play games, knows what it wants, and cuddles you at night. I wish! Now, in the first video, I don't know why I'm talking like this. It just felt right and I just went with it. Oh well! How about I split the difference? Now, in the first video, I ended up having only one control and not actually styling my hairs. I need to style my hairs because I want to look nice. And I realized that it didn't actually make that much sense to not style my hair because most people, when they do the lock method, are intending to style their hair, so why wouldn't I style it and see how the lock method holds up over the course of a few days? This is the second control in our experiment. This is my favorite styler, the Lotta Body with coconut and shea oils Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. It came into my life in this video, and if you haven't seen it, I suggest you watch this video. Click the I, the letter I in the upper whatever, right hand corner, which I will be applying to both sides. And what will I be styling with, do you ask? Don't be mad at me, guys. The curl formers are back. Did you just ask me why? I'll tell you why. Thank you for asking. Because I felt like it. So let's get to applying. Done. See you tomorrow. Hi, it's the next day. Check out my earrings. Whoa. Sick, right? So, I guess there's nothing much to it, but to do it, I'm gonna be taking down these. Like, low-key, I kind of look like a cyber goth. Alright, let's go. It's been so long since I've used these. First impressions, not feeling necessarily the most moisturized. Not dry, but like more sticky than moisturized. Definitely not sticky. There is some residue. A little on the dry side. Dang. Let's take them down and assess. Let's go. So this side feels really light and airy, which I actually don't like. I like my hair to feel a little more sealed and held and seen and appreciated and told it's beautiful. And this, especially on the ends, I'm not sure if it's just the texture of my hair coming through, but it feels like gross at the end. Although the products have sunk in, there's still something sitting on my strands, and I don't like that. I feel like it's the Jamaican black castor oil. So I really did it to them on both sides, and that's on me. Now on this side, this feels really soft, which is great, but it's got like this gumminess. Yeah, it's got a gumminess to it. Like, I've been non-stop wiping my knees with like the residue, and maybe that's why my knees are so velvety smooth. I'm not really that big of a fan of either side. So let's pick this out and I'll tell you the winner. Haha! Now that we've picked out everything, let me reveal who the winner is. Yes, indeed. Side R is the winner of this week. What do you think? I actually think the main culprit of our gummy and or city on toppy situation, the culprit was actually Jamaican black castor oil. Should we give these two another go? Let me know in the comments below. Like this video to show you appreciate the weirdness, subscribe for more weirdness, buy my merch so you may take a piece of the weirdness wherever you may go if you see fit. I upload on Saturdays, follow me on Instagram to see all the weirdness in between. And I'll see you next time. This has been me, Danielle, your resident weirdo. StarPuppy signing out. Say it with me now. StarPuppy. Away! Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed the video.